Have you ever wondered how you can reduce waste and help the environment at the same time? Welcome to the wonderful world of composting, a straightforward process with profound impacts. It's something you can easily do in your own backyard, transforming your everyday kitchen scraps into a nutrient-packed treat for your plants. Not only does composting minimize waste, but it also enriches the soil and promotes biodiversity. So if you're ready to turn your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich soil, then stick around. So, how do you start composting at home? Well, it's quite simple and rewarding. Let's break it down. First, gather your materials. You'll need a mix of greens like vegetable scraps or grass clippings and browns, such as leaves or shredded newspaper. This combination helps your compost stay balanced and healthy. Next, create a compost pile or bin in a sunny spot. Layer your materials, starting with browns at the bottom, followed by a layer of greens, and continue this pattern until the pile is about 3 feet high. Now it's time to maintain your compost. Turn it with a pitchfork or shovel every few weeks to help it decompose evenly. If it looks dry, add some water. If it's too wet, add more browns. Finally, once your compost has turned into a rich, dark soil, it's ready to be used in your garden. Spread it around plants to enrich the soil and boost their growth. And there you have it. With a little time and patience, you'll be creating your own nutrient-rich compost in no time. Now that you know how easy it is to compost, are you ready to give it a try? This simple act can enrich your garden, reduce waste, and contribute to a healthier planet. Remember, every little bit helps when it comes to reducing waste and helping our environment. We hope this video has inspired you to start composting at home. If you enjoyed this content and want to learn more, show us some love. Don't forget to hit like if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more green living tips. Together, we can make a difference.